first testing video.
You can also access this.
Guess what I got? The one, the only, Sony ZV-E10. The girl. The girl. The it girl of the moment. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Martha, and if you don't know me, I am a content creator that makes basically anything that has to do with lifestyle, entrepreneurship, and also a little bit of videography here and there. I decided to upgrade my camera. The one that I'm recording right now is a Canon Mark II M50, I believe. And I've been having this camera for a while, but I was just ready to kind of step up into the next level, so that's why I got this baby. I'm super excited to show you guys what it looks like. First impressions, I already love how compatible it is. It's way smaller than what I'm currently shooting on, the M50 Canon, and I love how elegant it looks. Like, just look at the button setup. Do you see it? I love the size. I really like how it has this area here, has a nice grip to it too. And I am not one of these videographer gurus. I'm just a girl that likes to record content and do little vloggies here and there. So this is my opinion on this camera. And I'm going to go ahead and start charging it, because I saw in some videos that the battery, as soon as you take it out of the box, is not enough to even play around with the camera. So I'm not gonna make that mistake. So then at the bottom, oh, I don't want to get fingerprints on it. It's too pretty. At the bottom, it says right here, slide there. There it goes. Click. And then lock. Okay. We're going to open up this compartment here, and we're going to charge it with the cable. I don't see a light. Is there supposed to be a light? Then you turn here on. Okay, so it's live. So I did buy an extra set of batteries because I do like to record for a long period of time, and I hate it when my batteries die. And plus, you should never have just one battery. So I got this one here, and I'll leave on the description all the links for all these little things. And then I got this travel camera battery charger, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. We're gonna see. I kind of wanted to have one that I could charge multiple batteries, but this is the only one they had there at the store, and I was kind of paranoid because I didn't want to get the wrong thing. So this is what it looks like. Okay, does it have batteries? I want to play. I don't want to wait. Hold on. La, 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 la. Okay, and right here shows you the beginning screen. So we're gonna set it up real quick. Time and day. I'm so bad at this. I never know where. Hawaii, New York City. do New York? I don't really know. Sure, I don't know. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna take off the lens the first time. Ooh, she's so pretty. And we're gonna add this now. Nice. This is how it looks. Let's turn her on. Right up here. Okay, so I definitely have to play with the settings because right now there's like a very heavy like blur filter on my face and does not look real at all.
The next thing we're going to change is the shoot mode. You want to make sure that it's set to manual. So go into the menu under the second page and you...
Hold on, menu. Second page.
And select shoot mode.
Hold on, shoot mode. And then you want to shoot, is it manual? Manual.
And make sure that it's set to manual or M. You can also access this...
The one that I've been using for a long time, but I don't know if you can see, but the sizes are a big difference. And I love how this one you can see like the square around when it's recording. I love that it has a little light when it's recording. This one doesn't have that, so I kind of just have to like keep checking in to see to make sure it's recording. But the reason I got this one is because it's more portable and it has more settings and things that I want to be able to play with and be able to become better at this content creation and videography. So let's go ahead and take this show on the road because I have to go run some errands. So let's see how this looks outside of my house. Hello, this is the first testing video in the car. I just got out of Dear Best Buy because I bought the battery charger, but it's like a singular and I don't want to just have a singular battery charger, so I am gonna buy that online. But look what I got. I got some toys. So I want to start having my content when I do when I do video calls. I want to have like the nice quality video setup. So I got this, and I believe that's what's gonna help with that. And then I also got a memory card. This one is 128 gigabytes, and I hate running out of space, so I thought that was completely necessary. And look at this tripod. I just realized that this opens. I didn't know that. So you can see it there. Look how cute it is. This was $14. That's a good deal. So you can have it as a regular tripod, and then it also extends and gets way taller too. So I am very excited to try out all these new gadgets. Look at that. So cute. Okay, let's get some cute little shots around town real quick. I do have a call later today, but yeah, let's go ahead and do that now. It was so much fun shooting with my new camera. If you guys have any questions at all, go ahead and leave them in the comments. This camera is super beginner friendly and the quality is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it. Go ahead and subscribe so you can see all the fun, exciting content I have coming up.